So in this video, I'm looking at a live analytics tool called GoSquared and seeing how you can use GoSquared to tell whether visitors to your website have your website open in more than one browser tab at the same time. Okay, so I've already installed GoSquared on the staging environment of my own website, and I've gone to what's called the Now Analytics dashboard, which you'll find in GoSquared under Analytics Now. So this is a great place to get a snapshot of the number of users who are on your site at the current moment, and also what they're doing, so what pages they're on. So you can see at the moment there are 0 visitors on my site, but if I now visit my site in another tab, if you'll bear with me for a second, you can see that that visitors online figure has increased to 1. And down here in the content panel, you can see that there is 1 user on a particular post in the recruitment category. Now that's obviously the same user. So we have 1 visitor online, 1 person on that post. Now the clever thing about GoSquared is that it regularly pings your visitors to check that they're still on the site. That means it counts people even if they are not doing anything. Maybe they're passively watching a long form video, they're not generating any kind of analytics events, but GoSquared will still count them. And that's a bit different to other analytics tools. So for example, Google Analytics 4, its real-time report only counts visitors within a 30-minute window. So what I'm going to do now is open my website again in a second tab at the same time. So if you bear with me again. So I now have the site open in 2 tabs at the same time. So the visitors online figure is still 1. We only have 1 unique visitor on the site. But here under content, you can see that we have 1 visitor on that recruitment post, but also 1 visitor on the homepage. Now that's the same visitor, 1 visitor, but 2 pieces of content open at the same time. So that must be in separate tabs. So what you can do is add up the figures here in the content panel. So currently the total is 2. That will tell you how many tabs your users have open with your site in, and compare that to your visitors online figure. Now, if the total here is bigger than the number here, that means your users have your site open in more than 1 tab at the same time.